Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming who owns the track and obtaining a license or using royalty-free music. Explain why. Facebook systems match audio to rights databases, so proof prevents automatic takedowns. Once you have permission, collect the license document, composer contact, and track metadata. Make sure to download the highest quality file and keep a dated receipt or email. This immediate evidence reduces disputes. Then move to the upload steps, described next to embed that proof with your content. You now upload your video in Creator Studio or Meta Business Suite and attach the license file. This is why location matters. Attachments can be referenced during disputes. Once done, fill the description with exact attribution: song title, artist, license ID, and link to license if allowed. Make sure to select any music usage checkboxes Facebook provides. Those settings signal authorized use. If you use stock music, tag the library name. These steps teach Facebook's automated reviews that you're authorized. You finish by monitoring the upload for any copyright claims and responding immediately with your license or proof. Fast replies prevent strikes. If Facebook mutes audio or blocks distribution, file an official dispute and attach the permission document. Explain why your use is licensed. Once resolved, make sure to save the case ID and update your records. Troubleshooting tip: if automated systems still flag you, re-encode audio slightly or replace with a pre-cleared instrumental while you escalate the dispute.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.